Do you struggle to stay on track with your intermittent fasting routine because of your busy schedule? Well, fear not! In this video, we will be sharing some amazing intermittent fasting hacks for busy people that will help you stay on track and achieve your weight loss goals. So, let's get started! Hack number 1. Plan your meals in advance. Sit down at the beginning of each week and plan out your meals and eating windows. This will help you avoid the temptation to grab whatever food is available when you are on the go. Hack number 2. Always be prepared. Make sure you always have healthy food with you. This will help you resist the urge to grab unhealthy food when you are feeling hungry. Hack number 3. Fit in exercise whenever you can. Incorporate quick exercises into your daily routine, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or doing some squats when you get some time. This will help you burn more calories and stay on track with your weight loss goals. Hack number 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Make sure you always have a water bottle with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Hack number 5. Reward yourself. Set up a reward system for yourself to help you stay motivated. For example, allow yourself a healthy dessert after you have completed certain number of successful fasting days. Hack number 6. Manage your stress. Stress can make it harder to stick to your intermittent fasting routine. Make sure you take time to manage your stress, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or just taking a few deep breaths. So, with these intermittent fasting hacks for busy people, you will be able to stay on track with your weight loss goals. If you like these amazing hacks, do comment and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.